Okay, so in this screen you will find an consolidated overview. Okay, what are the different component may needed to install the VMware vSphere. Okay, as you can remember, to deploy or work in vSphere, you need to install two different components separately. Okay, one is your VMware ESXi. Okay, what version is suitable to you? We can go with the current version is VMware ESXi 7. Okay, but I have suggested you to go with what the VMware ESXi 6.5 because 7 is a new product, so lots of features may be very much sophisticated. Okay, and your PC may not support this. Okay, so go with the your suitable version. Next one is was your what the vCenter server. So if one environment you have installed both this product, then you can claim that your environment is set up with the vSphere installation. Okay, so today I'll continue the same thing. Okay, so if and one thing I can remember that last class we have discussed regarding the evaluation mode. Okay, and okay, we'll just first of all take one overview of this, then we'll continue towards the licensing.
Sir, মই ESXi 5.5 কৰিলো।
একো নাই কিবা কৰিলে হ'ল একো নাই স্নিগ্ধা হ'লনে তোমাৰ ইনষ্টল হেল্ল'
নাই হোৱা মোৰ স্যাৰ স্যাৰ নাই হোৱা
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আৰু কাৰ ইনষ্টল হোৱা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে ইনষ্টল কাৰ হোৱা নাই
Sir,
কোৱাচোন নিকিতা কৰিছা
sir, মোৰ install হোৱা নাই।
হোৱা নাই
নাই হোৱা, sir।
ঠিক আছে আজি মই
নাই হোৱা, sir।
আফটাৰনুন প্ৰেক্টিকেল ক্লাছত দেখাই দিম ঠিক আছে কেনে কৰে তোমাৰ হ'ব okay show you okay next suppose you are deciding to move your entire physical cloud or the physical data center to the virtual one, right? And you have chosen that you will go with the ESXi or the VMware, right? So here, so once you confirm this one first, so after you build this infrastructure, you can go for an evaluation, right? And evaluation period is for 60 days. See, whenever you go for, please have a look at this screen. Okay, see, about vSphere, I think you know. I'll not go for this one. So today I'll start the session from the edition of vSphere. Okay, so there are 3 or you can say 4 common edition in VMware. Okay, so very first one is what a standard one. So see, vSphere standard edition is a perfect what a choice for user who are new to virtualization. So means what the product line is exactly same, but this is come with a very limited number of features. The standard. Okay. See, the buying the VMware is something like the buying the car. Okay, so starting from the standard, whenever you go upward, you will get different features. Okay, in some time you may get the AC at the very first, then you get a power window and different features, right? The VMware is something like this. In the standard, there are limited number of features. Okay, and which is more in case of your vSphere Enterprise Plus. Okay, let us summarize this. What they're telling. vSphere Standard Edition is a perfect choice for user who are new to virtualization. At is provide the basic level of server consolidation. Okay, now the question is that you have the idea of server consolidation or not, or what is meant by consolidation. You have the idea or not? Please let me know. What is consolidation? See, I am telling you now. If you don't know, please say no. If you know something, then please let me know from you what you know. Okay. Please don't sit idle. नहीं तो मुझे लगता है तुम लोग सो गया. What is meant by consolidation?
নাজানো
Okay. So consolidation means what? Suppose now you are owning an office, okay, and the branch of your office is say around the Assam. Okay, there are total of your 100, say 20 number of branches are there. Okay, now you are thinking that instead of managing all these 20 different offices, why not manage all these 20 offices from three different locations? Okay, so this type of activity performing in business is called what? The consolidation, right? That means replacing the less what are less frequently used or a less effective servers with the high-end server. Okay, for the cost saving and many more other advantages. Okay, or the centralized control. This is called what? The server consolidation. Okay, so for server consolidation you can go for the standard edition. Okay, see VMware storage and endpoint security for a minimum price. इसका and one of the more benefits of this one is here pricing is very much lower. Okay, later I'll show you what is the cost of VMware. One thing you please remember that cloud technology is a very costly technology. Okay, though they are telling that you will get all the facilities, all the different tasks, but the service provider will charge you with lots of money. Okay, you can see for 1 hour, for 1 year, what a big amount you have to pay. Okay, so if you're not conform with your business strategy and all different aspects, please don't go for the cloud migration. Okay, once you migrate your entire physical infrastructure to the cloud, then whatever you are using it or not, you have to pay for. Okay, a very big or a huge amount, right? So it's very essential. Okay, FeeSphere standard edition can be used by small businesses. Okay, which is intent to expand their activities over time. Okay, for your reference, I am pasting this link in the chat box. Okay, please make a copy paste or later on you can see it. Okay, I think you have seen the video link. Oh, sorry, the link from where I am teaching you right now. Okay, please make a copy paste of this link so that in future you can see. See, it is very essential for your exam also. Okay, you can expect one direct question of 6 mark. Explain any of the two edition of VMware. Okay, so this is very much important. Standard edition can used by small businesses which intend to expand their activities over time. Okay, suppose now we're starting with the cloud. Now you have to manage a very small amount of tasks. So you can start your business with the standard edition. Okay, so whenever your business is running and you are thinking that you can pay more for the management, so at that moment you can go for the next version, say enterprise plus. Okay, so as it allows you to seamlessly scale up means what? The from small features version to the high features version. Okay, and the reverse one is your scale down your virtual environment in case of the increased output. Okay, I think it is understandable to you. Okay, at first you started business with the standard one. Okay, then you realize that now my business is runs very well and I need the sophisticated environment. Okay, so I will upgrade myself. And please remember one thing, that whenever you are discussing regarding the VMware or any virtualization product, all the time we're dealing with the virtual environment. Okay, so we don't have any physical setup on us. Okay, so this is important. So what you can conclude, the first edition of VMware is what? The vSphere standard version. Okay, to run a small business, whatever the minimum facilities required, this standard edition will provide us. Okay, next one is your FeesFair Enterprise Plus. Okay, FeesFair Enterprise Plus edition enhances application performance and enable resources management. Okay, so these two are the added features. What are they? It enhances the application performance. That means it is equipped with high availability features. Okay, enhance application performance, and next one is enable resource management. Okay, during the time of your 1 or 2 mark MCQ, this line may be come. Okay, so please remember these things. FeesFair Enterprise Plus edition enhances application performance and enable resource management. Okay, FeesFair Enterprise Plus could be considered a more advanced version of FeesFair standard. That means this is the base model. Okay, so in this model you probably get the AC. Now here onward you will get your airbags, okay, power window, and all these different features. Okay, just like your car, and allow rapid deployment and provisioning of workload, load balancing, as well as establishing the priority of VM resources. Okay, so these lines are very much important. Okay, what are the different extra features you will find in Enterprise Plus as compared to the standard one? Okay, what are they? You will find what the option for rapid deployment. Okay, provisioning of workloads. Next one is load balancing and priority of virtual machine resources. Okay, you can set, suppose CPU is now assigned to this virtual machine number 10. Okay, so this type of features or the things you can perform in if you are installed or the license with the Enterprise Plus edition. Okay, FeesFair Enterprise Plus is mainly used by medium to large scale organizations. Okay, in most of the time in the corporate you will find this edition is installed. Okay, Deep Duty has arrived. Okay, are you following all? Please respond. Are all of you following? Only one response I've received from Ansuman, and whatever others, you are there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if in the exam one question has come, the differentiate between FeesFair standard and the Enterprise Plus edition. Can you do? Can you write the answer? Difference between FeesFair standard edition and Enterprise Plus edition. Can you differentiate it?
Sir, পাৰিম
Okay. Good. Now we'll go towards the next. So see, I am just giving you the reference. So what we're discussing. Okay, so we have start with the FeesFair installation. Okay, so whenever you go for FeesFair installation, you need to install the two product. One is your ESXi and one is your FeeCenter. Okay, once you install with all these two product, next one is your licensing. Okay, so see, these all are not the open source or the free source software or the free software, so you have to pay some money for this to the organization. Okay, so whenever you go for paying the money to buy the license, what type of license is suitable to you? So right now we're discussing regarding this part. Okay, if your business is very much small and just you start with, then you can go for the standard one. Okay, to run your very small business or the startup business with limited product and all, you can go for the standard edition of license. Okay, once your business has grown up, okay, and it is run quite good, then you can go for upgrade of your existing version with the enterprise plus edition. Okay, and you will find lots of advanced features like rapid deployment, okay, and provisioning of workload. Next one is load balancing, as well as what the priority of the VMware resources. I think all these terms is known to you. Okay, if someone finds some word is not understanding to you, please let me know. Okay, I will help. Yeah, now after that, the next edition is your what the vSphere with operation management. Okay, vSphere with operation management provide a high-end virtualization platform that allows enhanced performance management. Okay, this is an optimal solution for business of all size, as it enables you to cut hardware cost as well as optimize infrastructure performance with the help of various IT services. Okay, that means it is enabled with lots of third party services to smoothening your business. Okay, these services include capacity optimization, intelligent workload placement, and rebalance and health monitoring. Okay, so actually this all these modern application like artificial intelligence, okay, and all these different things need sophisticated processing. Okay, so these version of vSphere, okay, give all these different features. vSphere with operation management. Okay, and please remember this version is equally workable for the startup businesses as well as the running businesses. Okay, so this is more optimized one. Your vSphere with operation management features. Okay, next one is your vSphere Platinum. VMware vSphere Platinum is the latest edition of vSphere, which is essentially a combination of the core function of VMware vSphere and VMware App Defense. Okay, App Defense is a VMware product that protect applications that run in virtualized environments. Okay, so actually this App Defense and the Cloud Trial in Amazon, okay, and WatchGuard. So these all are the product based on artificial intelligence. Okay, they have the capacity of finding the intruders or the threats automatically. Okay, just like your spam filter. So your spam filter or the fake news filter will work automatically. No user intervention is required. Okay, this one. So now see our now all the days our virus definition all and different threats are more intelligent than us. Okay, so to protect our environment from this type of threats, we need the sophisticated software. Okay, mainly equipped with the artificial intelligence or the machine learning features. Right. So this app defense from VMware and CloudTrail, WatchGuard from Amazon's. Okay, these all are the product which can give you more security. Okay, yeah. Thus a high level protection of data. See, nowadays the entire IT business is totally depend on the data. Okay, all the time you are using the data. See, now I am using this Nakivo website, this Cisco WebEx. So all these data are very much essential to the company. So at the time we are using this, okay, this all these data are going to be collected in their data center, and after analyzing, they will find what come with the very essential solutions or the decisions. That means in the next version this type of features we have to include. Okay, so this is so now we can say that the entire world is depend on the data. Okay, as well as it provide protection to the infrastructure and the user access. Okay, to all these different type of protection you'll find in case of the platinum. Okay, now we'll see, okay, what are the different type of features you will receive. So this comparison chart is nothing but something like your car. Okay, if you take the Maruti one, say LX, LXI, VX and the VXI, all these three different type of your specification. Okay, so what are the features you will find? See, all the features which is listed there is from the enterprise environment. Okay, so we may not know all these things. Okay, so these all are the different features. So as I've shared the link, you please go through all the features, okay, which is essential to you. You can find some idea from there. Okay, so this is regarding your all the three different editions from the VMware vSphere. One is standard, next one is your what? Enterprise Plus. Okay, third one is your
server.
কোৱা কি আছিলে কোৱা? This one, vSphere with operation management enterprise. Okay, next one is your vSphere Platinum, and this is the top model. Okay,
Platinum, yes.
yes, it's the top model. Now you can see the pricing. See, as I told you, VMware is a very costly. Okay, now you can see the price. VMware vSphere standard license per year, how much? $1268. कितना होगा बोलो इसको, अगर तुम इसमें कन्वर्ट करते हो रुपीस में, अगर कन्वर्ट करते हो किमान पापा? ओके, लेट मी कन्वर्ट इट एंड सी हाउ मच কিমান আছে তোমাৰ ডলাৰ ভ্যালু এতিয়া 75 মান হৈছে নেকি?
4000 মান হ'ব নেকি?
কিমান এতিয়া ডলাৰৰ আমাৰ ইণ্ডিয়ান ৰুপিয়াৰ ডলাৰৰ ভ্যালু?
70 কে ধৰক।
70. Okay, 70 into 1268. See, for 1 year you have to pay 88,760 rupees. Okay, now the thing is that this is the cost of your license only. Okay, and other things is extra, this security, staff salary, infrastructure management and different things is these all are different, right? Now you can imagine to work in cloud how risky is there. Okay, so cloud is providing us one feature is that you no need to worry about the underlying infrastructure, only you have to concentrate on the work. Okay, your core business. Okay, something like that. Suppose you are suppose owning a biotech farm. Okay, as a biotech farm, you have to only concentrate on the, okay, the product development regarding all this security and this the infrastructure, this, backup and all will taken care by someone else. Okay, for this type of dedicated business, cloud is good. Okay, but for the startup which has the risk is not what advisable to go with the cloud. Okay, this one you can see. So that this is the cost for your 1 year license of your VMware. Okay, in case of your standard. Next you can see the enterprise. Now you can see the cost of enterprise, 4369 into say 70. How much? 3,05,800 something like that. Okay, so this is not the fixed one. Okay, इससे ज़्यादा ही होगा, कम नहीं होगा. So this much of amount you have to pay if you go with the enterprise plus edition, and if you go with the operation management, then how much you will have to pay? Say 5,318 into 70. See, 3,70,000 near about 4 lakhs. Okay, so as I told you, this the platinum one is the latest one. तो जब ये पेज बना था ना, शायद इसका इन्फॉर्मेशन इसके पास नहीं था. Okay, so this is based on the data in November 2019. Okay, in the latest one you will find the detail about this one. Okay, now this is the cost. Now we'll see. Okay, I will share this link also. তোমালোকে লিংক বিলাক কপি পেস্ট কৰি আছে নাই? আছা নাই লিংক বিলাক কৈ
কৰি আছো ছাৰ
অ মাধুৰ্য ই এতিয়াতো টোপনি পৰিছে চাগে okay next I'm sharing yeah so here you will find see first link I have given for this one okay to know the different versions standard enterprise plus operation management and the platinum okay second link I am sharing to know the cost okay as well as compare the features okay so you can see different things there okay so see all these high-end features are not there in case of your this version and likewise fees per module okay as I told you this platinum is what equipped with the third party monitoring tools okay so see in case of these two version this is not there capacity optimization so mainly this AI or the machine learning part is missed in case of your both the version but here we'll find everything okay so this is I think you have find one consolidated idea regarding the VMware FreeSphere licensing part. Okay, we'll proceed in this section only. Let's discuss some doubts. Okay, अगर तुम लोगों को कुछ doubt है, then please let me know before proceeding towards the next section.
ডাউট তেনেকে নাই
আচ্ছা এটা কথা কোৱা ঠিক আছে ডাউট বাৰু চালে ওলাব তোমালোকে বস্তুটো ফ'ল' কৰি আছে নে নাই মই কি কৰি আছো গম পাই আছে নে নাই না কোনো ৰেফাৰেঞ্চ পোৱা নাই so what I am discussing or we're discussing this is this is on track or not so এনেকুৱা হোৱা নাই নাইতো কি কি কৰি আছো একো আতি ঘূৰি পোৱাই নাই সদায় কিবা বেলেগ বেলেগ বস্তু কৰি আছো এনেকুৱাতো হোৱা নাই কাৰো
মানে
what about other
Sir, নাই হোৱা এনেকুৱা
okay okay now we'll go in depth to this topic only okay so here you can see so this is the white paper from directly from the Microsoft oh sorry this VMware okay so this is published in March 2020 March 20th in the 20 okay so it's the latest one so see whenever you go for working in this corporate environment so all the time you have to look for this type of white papers okay so here all the information regarding see all the website we are using it now so this is not up to date but you can get one consolidated idea okay but from the white paper you will find the full idea so VMware vSphere compute virtualization okay licensing pricing and the packaging तो क्या क्या है so I don't think that you need this overview again okay can someone tell me what is vSphere can someone tell what is vSphere
Sir, এটা virtualization platform হয়
কোৱা continue কৰা
okay sir যি লিখা আছে এইখিনি মানে explain কৰি দিওঁ ন
হে
product এটা হয়
okay I'll revise it এতিয়া কোৱা
প্ৰডাক্ট আৰু ক'বলে হেৰি চাৰ্ভাৰ ভাৰ্চুৱেলাইজেশ্যন
আৰু চি ইতনা ক্লাছ ইমানখিনি ক্লাছ কৰ ন আগতে তোমালোক নিৰ্মলা ছাৰেও কৰাইছে ন যদি এইখিনি আইডিয়া নাথাকে ইণ্টাৰভিউ কেনেকৈ ফেচ কৰিবা উইল টেল মি what
Type
is
1
fish fair
hypervisor হয়
what is fish fair will tell if I can remember at least 20 times I have already told
Sir, vSphere is a virtualization platform
Hmm.
uh, uh, that includes that includes the server virtualization and another component, and it is easy to use, and it can manage multiple virtual machines.
Okay. Up to some extent, this is okay. And what about others? Okay, we tell perfectly what is VMware Fish Fair. Okay, please listen to the name first. I'm asking about the Fish Fair. What is Fish Fair?
so it is a type 1 hypervisor which consists of ESXi
Hmm. এটা কাম কৰিব লাগিব ঠিক আছে from next week onward or next class onward সদায় তোমালে এজনক বাছি দিব লাগিব ঠিক আছে to speak at least 20 minutes in the class ৰেডি হোৱা ঠিক আছে সবাই তোমাৰ নিজে নিজে সবাই প্ৰেজেন্টেশন দিব লাগিব 20 মিনিটৰ এটা তোমালোক এজনো ট্ৰেকত নাই দেখোন
ঠিক আছে, sir.
কি আছিলে কোৱা See, what I'm telling, VMware Fish Fair is an umbrella term. Okay, just like your MS Office. Okay, so inside this VMware Fish Fair, many components are there. Okay, one component is your ESXi, which is your Type 1 hypervisor. Okay, now when you deploy one Type 1 or a Type 2 hypervisor, it will generate your one virtualized environment. Okay, with one to any number of virtual machines installed on the or the deployed on a spin on top of this okay hypervisor and next and to manage this entire infrastructure you need one centralized service point and this is nothing but your vCenter server okay apart from this you will find all these different things vMotion vCenter Horizon and all different things okay so all together the entire product line is called what the vSphere okay see someone is telling at least he's trying to say this is good but he's made some mistake here he tells that vSphere is your type 1 hypervisor no hypervisor is your ESXi okay fish fair is a umbrella term under which all these different components are belonging okay now is it okay
Yes, sir.
okay let us take the attendance otherwise within 5 minutes our session will be ended automatically okay
Okay, sir. Sir, আজিৰ পৰাতো স্কুলবিলাক ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে আমাৰ কলেজবিলাক কেতিয়াৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট হ'ব
ha
স্কুলবিলাকতো আজিৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে ন মানে যোনে যোনে পেৰেণ্টছে এলাউ কৰে যাব পাৰে স্কুলত
নাই এতিয়া ওলোৱা নাই তোমাৰ ওলালে কৈ দিম দিয়া এইটো ওলাব আৰু যদি স্কুল
অক্টোবৰ মানত হৈ যাব লাগে ন
যদি স্কুল খুলিছে কলেজ নোখোলাৰ কোনো কুৱেশ্যন নাই তোমাৰ খুলিব আচ্ছা আজি কিমান তাৰিখ হ'ল 21 না
Yes, sir.
okay see the call Nikita সায়ক নিকিতা নাই নাই নেকি
প্ৰেজেণ্ট ছাৰ
সায়ক ই নাই
ছাৰ শুনিছেনে
শুনিছো কাৰ্তিক তই চাই যাবা ঠিক আছে প্ৰেজেন্ট এবসেন্ট ইয়াতে অভিজিত
Present, sir.
অংশুমান
Present, sir.
বিষ্ণু স্নিগ্ধা
Present, sir.
বিদ্যুৎ হিমাংক
Present, sir.
গিৰিন ই নাই নেকি তোমাৰ আছে নাই
Present, sir. Present, sir.
দীপজ্যোতি
Hello.
দীপজ্যোতি দেৱ দেৱ
Present, sir.
ঋকিৰাজ
Present, sir.
দেৱাংগ
Sir.
মাধুৰ্য
Present, sir.
নৱজ্যোতি চাণক্য অভিষেক
Present.
জিতুল বিৰাজ হিমাংশু
Present, sir.
গৌৰৱ আছিল দেখোন আছেনে নাই এই গৌৰৱ আছেতো ই চোৱাই নাই ক'বাত ফুৰি আছে সি কিন্তু নিদিলে এবচেণ্ট হ'ব দেই এতিয়া মই আপডেট কৰি দিম এই ক্লাছটো এটেণ্ড কৰি ফাং ফুংকে থাকে গৌৰৱ আছা ঠিক আছে হ'ব আচ্ছা চোৱা ইয়াতে পাব পৰা অ'কে আই উইল শ্বেয়াৰ দিছ হোৱাইট পেপাৰ উইথ ইউ অ'কে এইটো মই গ্ৰুপত দি দিম তোমাৰ এতিয়া দেন ইউ কেন ফি ফ্ৰম দেৰ Okay, licensing overview. Okay, vSphere 7 licensing per processor. এটা কাম করো ঠিক আছে এখানে আমি নেক্সট ক্লাস স্টার্ট করব okay so all these things we'll discuss in the next class how actually licensing is done okay so for this class you have learned about all the different editions okay and what are the different features and the cost is not exact but what the approx cost you can imagine from there okay so you'll find lots of things okay, I will share this method with you for your reference no problem okay up to this point anyone have any doubt